I think from a life insurance perspective, we've kind of simplified the manifestation of the model into, three simple steps. If you link your life policy to your healthy behavior, you get a discount upfront. So clients can get discounts of up to 48% for linking their life policy to either their bank or their Vitality, their health plan, and then monitoring and enhancing their behavior around being healthier or managing their money better. And that allows them to obviously keep those deep discounts over time. That's the second component. And then the third is kind of the flagship feature, which we call the payback benefit. And that allows clients to earn percentages of their premiums back, actually up to 100% of their premiums back through the policy duration. And it pays out in increments of 5 years for being healthy. And we've paid, I think it's something like 12 billion to date in paybacks. That's massive numbers. That's money made out of behavior change. It's money that wasn't in the system previously. And through the model, through the shared value model, we've been able to generate 12 billion rands worth of behavior change. And that gets passed back to the clients. And obviously, there's three traditional, I guess, stakeholders in the shared value model. Clients first and foremost need to see value. They'll be healthier, and they'll also get financial incentives. From a discovery perspective, we obviously then see much lower claims rates, whether it be mortality or morbidity, also persistency. We're able to keep our clients healthier and on the books for longer, and that creates exponential impacts on profitability. So it's good for the company, and then it's good for society. Obviously, reducing healthcare burdens, increasing productivity, increasing just general wellness, better roads. There's a lot of societal benefits. And then I guess the kind of fourth stakeholder, which is not traditionally spoken about, but is very much the financial advisor. And in many ways, they're the driving force behind the shared value model, or the engine of that shared value model.
Gareth, I mean, you've given us a really good understanding of kind of like the headline features of shared value on a life policy. But are there also some kind of other manifestations of the value that the model can generate?
Yeah, Dan, we've over the years have come up with a whole host of innovations that have used the shared value model in very bespoke and unique ways. Maybe two examples. The one is what we call our cash conversion benefit, and that really almost pays out a portion of clients' life cover in retirement while they're still alive. And the value that they get is higher the kind of more healthy they've been pre-retirement. So you're using your health and wellness engagement pre-retirement to build supplementary kind of income through your life policy post-retirement. And, that in itself has been a very, very powerful product. We expect to pay 7 billion in the next 5 years on cash conversion. So one of my favorite kind of use cases of shared value is what we've done in our Global Education Protector product. It's a product that parents can take out on their kids, that if something happens to the parent, if one of the parents die or become disabled or sick, we will then indemnify their child's entire schooling. So it's a very powerful risk protection product. But from a shared value perspective, what we said, instead of just a normal payback, we created what we call a university funder benefit. And how that works is it allows parents to engage in Vitality each year and fund through that engagement up to 100% of their child's tertiary education, their future university education, which is so powerful. I mean, what talks to kind of one, as a parent, your intrinsic motivation more strongly than your kid's education? So now, instead of the coffees and smoothies, which is powerful, kind of, we know in our household that we got to get to Diamond, otherwise our kids aren't going to university. And that's so powerful. You're just not going to miss it. And we see it in the stats. We see that clients have taken out that product, Engage.